lot of our competition, they just want to show up, do a basic job. They don't really want to push to be their best. And really, as long as all we do is really, if we just show up for one more hour each day than what our competition does each week, that's 7 hours more. A year, that's 365 hours, which means for every year we're in business versus our competition, we get another month ahead of them.
Yeah.
And so in life, and really what you do with that profits is you reinvest into real estate, reinvest into yourself to be a smarter person. And it's kind of cool how it's really a compound effect. It just grows slowly over time.
So that's interesting. I've not heard that before, but man, guys, I hope you tuned into how profound that is. If you're given an hour more a day than your competition, you're given 365 hours more a year. You're given a month. So Caleb, you've been in business for 16 years. You're a year and a half ahead of your competition with that formula, just you. But if you multiply that times your employees, Caleb, you're showing people a way here where they can be not just a year, but 10, 15 years ahead of the competition. That's amazing.